Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start the quick revision with our next chemistry chapter of 12th standard, that is aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acids. Let's start with the aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid. So first we will see the aldehyde. These are the molecular formulas of the aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acids. As you can see, R C double bond O H, that is aldehyde. R C double bond O R dash, that is ketones. R C double bond O OH. OH represent the carboxylic acid here. Here R is the alkyl or aryl group. An aldehyde is a compound containing a functional group with the structure CHO, that is you can see CHO, consisting of a carbonyl center with the carbon atom also bonded to hydrogen and to any generic alkyl or side chain R group and any carbon atom also bonded to the hydrogen, right? Let's understand the physical properties of aldehydes. So aldehydes have properties that are diverse and that depends on the remainder of the molecules. Smaller aldehydes are more soluble in water, formaldehyde and acetaldehyde completely. The volatile aldehydes are pungent odor. Volatile means that can change suddenly and unexpectedly. This is the aldehyde. R C double bond O H. So what is R? R is a alkyl group or a aryl group. So alkyl group means, for example, here is a methane, that is molecular formula is CH4. If अगर यहाँ से हम एक हाइड्रोजन को निकाल देंगे तो ये क्या बन जाएगा CH3. As you can see CH4. अगर हमने ये हाइड्रोजन को निकाल दिया तो ये बन जाएगा CH3, that is मिथाइल ग्रुप. इथेन, सो मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला इज C2H6. अगर हम यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन निकाल रहे हैं तो वो बन जाएगा C2H5, that is इथाइल. सो व्हाट इज मेन बाय अल्काइल? डेफिनेशन देख लेते. इन ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री एन अल्काइल सब्स्टिट्यूएंट इज एन अल्केन मिसिंग वन हाइड्रोजन. सो ये क्या हुआ? मिथेन इज ए अल्केन और ये मिथाइल, ये हो गया अल्काइल ग्रुप. तो व्हाट इज मीन बाय अराइल ग्रुप? अराइल इज एनी फंक्शनल group derived from an aromatic ring. As you can see, this is the aromatic ring. आप लोग 11th पढ़ के आए हो, सो आई होप कि आप सब लोगों को ये सब पता हो, अल्काइल अराइल ग्रुप. बट फिर भी मैंने ये जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन दी बिकॉज आपको आगे जाके प्रॉब्लम ना हो. नेक्स्ट इज द प्रिपरेशंस ऑफ aldehydes. There are various methods that can be used to prepare aldehydes depending upon the type and requirement of the compound. So first one is by oxidation of alcohol. मैंने ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन पे वीडियो अपलोड करी है. इफ आपको समझना है इन ए इजी वे, सो प्लीज चेक माई डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. आई विल गिव द लिंक देयर. सो फर्स्ट वन इज द ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल. Oxidation of primary alcohol. This is the primary alcohol in the presence of oxidizing agent. These are the oxidizing agent gives aldehyde. So आप लोग पूछोगे what is primary alcohol? The primary alcohol is an alcohol in which the hydroxyl group is bonded to a primary carbon atom. As you can see, the hydroxyl group. This is OH is the hydroxyl group. This is bonded to the primary carbon atom. So next one is by dehydrogenation of alcohol. When the vapor of primary alcohol passed through heated copper at 573 Kelvin, it forms an aldehyde, as you can see in the reaction. What is meant by dehydrogenation? Simply it means removal of hydrogen, usually from organic molecules. Third one is by Rosenmund reduction. Hydrogenation of acyl chloride over a palladium on barium sulfate gives aldehyde. As you can see, benzoyl chloride is acyl chloride in the presence of palladium on barium sulfate BaSO4 gives corresponding benzaldehyde. Why we are using this? These are the catalysts. What is meant by catalyst? Substance which increases the speed of chemical reaction. Next one is by reduction of nitriles. So nitriles में 2-3 types है. So first type is the Stephan reaction. This is the Stephan reaction. Stephan reaction, reduction of nitriles in presence of stannous chloride. So SnCl2 is the stannous chloride. In the presence of HCl gives imine. This is the imine, which on hydrolysis gives corresponding aldehyde. रिडक्शन ऑफ नाइट्राइल्स में हमने फर्स्ट देखा था स्टेफन रिएक्शन. सो सेकेंड है नाइट्राइल्स आर सेलेक्टिवली रिड्यूस्ड बाय डाइबल H to aldehyde. What is the dibyl H? It is the reducing agent. It is called as diisobutyl aluminum hydride. अगर आप 12th में हो तो डाइबल H को ज़्यादा डिटेल में देखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज ये बस इतना याद रखें कि ये हाइड्रोजन डोनेट करने वाला है रिएक्शन में. सो दिस इज द रिएक्शन. नाइट्राइल in the presence of dibyl H and H2O gives corresponding aldehyde. So इसका mechanism ये है. In the first step of mechanism, removal of a pi bond. यहाँ से हमने pi bond remove कर लिया है, so हमें ये मिल गया है. Second is addition of sigma bond with a hydrogen to a carbon. यहाँ पे हमने हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन को अटैच कर लिया बाय सिग्मा बॉन्ड. सो ये हाइड्रोजन कहाँ से आया? ये हाइड्रोजन हाइड्राइड से आया है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज द कन्वर्शन ऑफ नाइट्रोजन टू एन ऑक्सीजन. ये ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से आया? वाटर से. नेक्स्ट इज द बाय रिडक्शन ऑफ एस्टर्स. सो एस्टर्स कैन बी कन्वर्टेड टू अल्डिहाइड यूजिंग डाइबल H and H3O+. The reaction is usually carried out at temperature minus 78 degrees Celsius to prevent the reaction with aldehyde product, and we get alcohol as a byproduct in this reaction. Next is from hydrocarbons. So what is meant by hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons is an organic chemical compound composed of hydrogen, as you can see, hydro and carbon, hydrogen and carbon atom. They are naturally occurring compound. So in the hydrocarbon we will see the Gattermann-Koch reaction. In this reaction, simple benzene is converted to benzaldehyde on treatment with the carbon monoxide CO, that is carbon monoxide and HCl, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and CuCl. Anhydrous AlCl3 means aluminium chloride and cuprous chloride. These are the reducing agents. We get corresponding aldehyde.